Okay, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 24th of November, and this is Three Little Pigs and Knits in the live market. The Three Little Pigs is a free strategy. It's available over here. It's a previous winner of Baby Pip's free system of the month. And you can just come over to the website and basically just sign up here, and you get access to three strategies and the How to Really Use Pivots ebook. The Three Little Pigs MT4 swing trade indicators also available on the website over here under the main menu, and the no indicators trading strategy, which I will cover at the end, is also available here on the website under the main menu. So into the markets. And kick off with Aussie dollar as usual. We're down. We've got downtrend on the weekly. We can see here. We've got a downtrend on the daily because we're trading below the moving averages. And on the 4-hour, we were in and out here on Friday. And now this morning we've seen a big move down. So when this candle finishes, we'll be taking a short trade here. Euro GBP down and up here. The weekly's in a clear downtrend, and we're just waiting now for the daily to turn. So it's got quite a bit to move to turn, and if and when it does, then we will take the entry off the 4-hour chart. So, but at the moment we're down and up here. Most unlikely that we'll get a signal to go long. More likely we'll get the signal to go short. Euro JPY, we had a nice trade here, which I documented in the newsletter. For something like 10 times our, we made a return of 10 times our initial risk here. So we gave a little bit back. Those of you that used the moving average will have been stopped out and given a little bit back. I got taken out on this candle, so just waiting again now. Looks like we'll get a long signal, possibly on close of this candle, possibly the next one, but it looks imminent anyway, so that we might get a new signal to go long. And this chart doesn't really do it justice, but this is actually quite a big move here. This move 146.83 here, so you know we've got like 200 pips or so back up to this high. So good chance here that if we get a good entry with a tight stop, we can make some nice pips. Euro USD, we're down and down. Some people have asked, do I take, this is very similar to the USD Swiss, do I take these trades when it's such a big candle? And the answer is yes, I do. I take all of the signals. So basically, we just have to accept that we have a big stop loss here, and we're not going to make so much money on this trade. But by taking every signal, what we do make sure is that if this does go off on a big run now, that at least we're involved and we make a little bit of money and don't miss those trends. So Euro USD took the signal on Friday and got in here. We gapped down this morning, so those of you that close your positions at the weekend should be back in now at a similar price to your exit on Friday. Onto cable, down and down here. It's a bit choppy down here. We've quite, had 3 or 4 losing trades here. The weekly's obviously down on cable, and the daily's been in a really strong downtrend as well. And we've caught some nice moves here already. So yeah, it's a little bit choppy down here, but looks like with the other 2 setups as well, looks like we're going to get a short entry and signal here on cable. So we'll get involved, and if this does decide to drop off down to 1.5 or whatever, hopefully we'll be able to take a nice big chunk of it. So cable's just about to line up here. USD CAD, we're up and down here. It's looking that we're more likely that we'll get a long signal. The weekly's trending way up here above the moving average, and the daily needs to move some to give us the direction we need to take the long signal. So most likely we'll get a long signal here if we're going to get anything. Not too hopeful of that today or even this week. So, but keep an eye on it. If we get a signal, take the trade. USD Swiss, just touched on this briefly. Similar setup, inverse of Euro USD, as is sometimes the case with these two currencies, or more often the case than not, I suppose. So yeah, we took the signal here on Friday, and we're currently long on USD Swiss. And again, you know, if you closed your trade at the weekend, you should be back in again now, somewhere around about the same price. USD JPY, this is a nice trade, taken back here on the 10th of November. The entry was around 11468, something like that. And basically we've run up here now to, I think it's, what is it? It's something like 250 pips. So just keep on trailing the stop. Nothing to say that this can't go higher. It's quite extended here from its moving average, so I would expect some kind of pullback here to this moving average. Maybe that's imminent, maybe it's not. So, but anyway, whatever the case, if we get stopped out and we do pull back into this area, then hopefully we can get another nice long signal and make some more pips on there. On these yen, the two yen pairs are giving us nice profits, and have been for the last few months actually. So still long here on USD JPY, and just keep trailing that stop until we get taken out. Onto gold, down and up here. I mention it every week, so I'll mention it again this week. Gold is around this 1180 level. It's quite critical level for gold, and we can just see that it's just trying to decide what to do here. The daily shows how, you know, we held it here 1180. We came down, we broke it, tried to break it, and then did break through it, and it's just keep on touching and touching. So gold is going to take some direction. December's usually quite a positive month for gold, so just wait and see what happens here. But no trades for us at the moment. And finally, I'll move on to and cover NITS, no indicators trading strategy. Okay, here we go. GBP USD. Nothing, no change from the report I sent out at the weekend. So we broke this low here and seen the price moving down here. So moved the stop to here, break it, just slightly in the money here now. And I haven't seen anything here yet to convince me to move the stop loss. So what I would need to see is this low taken out here. And obviously I've got my long market order in to go long at this level with my stop down here below this low. So nothing here, but if I see a break of this low now from here, quite happy to move my stop down to this level here, which is clearly where the bears have come in and pushed the market back down twice. So just waiting for this to break now and then move the stop down. Onto Euro USD. Quite unfortunate here. We got taken out of our previous short trade for break even, just by a few pips, and we took the long entry. And since then, since going long, we've done nothing except for move down. So rather unfortunate, but that's the way it works sometimes. So I've got my short position in the market here, where my stop loss is as well. So looks like we're probably going to roll over here on Euro USD, but you know, none of us know for sure what's going to happen here. So just keep that long position open, and if we do move back up, then basically we're on the right side of the market, and we can move our stop a little if we want to. If we do break the high, really looks likely that we're not going to break it, and we're going to roll over here. But that's fine. We'll just take the short position there. And Euro JPY, this is a great move already. It's something like 1,000 pips here. So entryway back down here at 13665, and we're, as I say, we're up 1,000 pips here. We were up 1,200 pips or so. So some profits taken maybe by some of you. I've took a little profit off the table here, and stop loss. When I seen this high get broken and we moved up here, then I moved the stop up to this level here. So once again, I'm either waiting for this high to get broken and I'll move my stop loss to here. If not, if it does if it does retreat, I've got a short order in the market here with the stop loss here at the moment. And on that note, I think I'll finish and wish all of you a great week, and thanks for watching.